What up guys, back with another video. Today right now we're going to be installing the diffuser on the RCF. So as you can see, it's just a big black plastic diffuser right now. He purchased a used diffuser right here. Looks really nice. It has a nice carbon fiber weave on it. Reflectors go right here. Also got these side winglets that he's gonna throw on there as well. I'm gonna set the camera up and we're going to attempt to take these off. So I'm gonna show you guys, this is what it was catching on right here. These little tabs. So I was just pretty much pressing up on the plastic tabs as I was pulling it back out. Here's a sensor clip and the actual sensor itself for the bumper. You have to disconnect that before you take the bumper off. The reason why we removed it was to get to this screw right here. Okay, this screw on both sides got to come off to get rid of the diffuser. And also this little pink tab right there, they don't mention that, but that has to come off if you want to safely take it off without damaging anything. That's a safety plastic pin that they use on all these panels for Toyotas. 10mm Phillips here, and the red reflectors come off with this little Phillips right here. So this is what it looks like on the inside of the bumper, and now we're going to just disconnect all of that right now and swap it over. Put it in 10mm there and 10mm here. This is actually supposed to be a push tab, but a 10mm, it's what it needs to be. There's also supposed to be a push pin here, but we can't get it because the screw on the diffuser is a lot smaller on both sides, so we didn't use it. It doesn't reuse the push pins in the middle, and same Phillips 10mm there and a Phillips 10mm on the corner. And now we just have to put it back on the car, and once we put it back on the car, we can pull the double-sided tape and push it into place once everything is solid onto the car. Alright, so we're not done yet. We actually have to go and install some canards, these nice plastic pieces right here. The bottom hole does bolt up to the OEM hole, which is like right here in the front. What I'm going to do is just install it for now and then use a clamp to hold it in place while I drill the holes and the screws, because you have to drill 2 screws, unfortunately. I already pre-drilled it when I was on the floor, but I thought, you know, we got to take the bumper off, so I had to take it off.
Every single year the weed get better and better, so it's only right this time around we get higher than ever. Let's all put together some ends, have a session with friends, and roll a fat using different strains. Inhale till it's hitting your brain, and then you hit it again and pass it down till you get to the ends. And when it's out, then we twisting some more up, but open a jar up. Garbage can full of cigar guts, cute chicks rolling up our blunts. They sipping on Starbucks, they chewing on Starburst. They Louis Vuitton purse is filled with the bomb herb, and before we spark up, we hitting the bong first. Pass me the light, and we gon' get as high as a kite. We celebrating 420 for the rest of our lives. Put one in the air for the rest of the night. If stoners unite, then we can all light up the skies. You dig? Smoke, you wanna smoke, you wanna smoke, you wanna smoke, get high. You wanna smoke, 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 let's get high. You wanna smoke, 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 you wanna smoke. Get high. You wanna smoke, 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 you wanna smoke. It's 420, time to get higher than I ever been. Lost in a quarter pound, I swear I found my medicine. There ain't no feeling better than when I chillin'.